First of all, as it pertains to mediations, we have our ADR success program. Mediation is a type of alternative dispute resolution, or what we call ADR. Since 70% of all of our clients' cases are resolved through ADR, we have a dedicated program that we've built to make sure that we're having our clients put their very best foot forward in achieving their objectives at that mediation session. And so we want to make sure that we're adequately and thoroughly prepared ahead of time. And that includes not only making sure that we're well briefed and that the mediator is well briefed and that there's all the necessary information available, whether we're dealing with child custody, parenting time issues, or the financial stuff. We want to make sure that that's in order, that we've got our balance sheets and our other briefing, but then also that you're prepared. We have a number of books that we provide our clients to make sure that clients have a chance to be well read in layman's terms on the things that they need to know about in order to be making good decisions. And then ultimately, for all of our hearings and mediations, there's always prep with the attorney one-on-one ahead of time. Usually it's some form of face-to-face. Sometimes if it's like a really small hearing, we'll just prep by telephone. But if anything of gravity, contested hearings, opportunities to settle, you can expect to be meeting with your attorney.